This is a review of the lava lamp 14.5 inches color max that I would highly recommend. This lava lamp, it illuminates towards your mood and it does color effects like volcano-ish, reddish. You can see that has an orangish hue color effect and it's like a volcano color, and it's very easy to assemble, very easy to use. You can see it comes with a electrical cord. Then after that, it comes with the light bulb, and then you can see it comes with this glass here to give you that ambience effect. When I take this off, you can see I have the light bulb assembled right over there, and then it's basically a plug and play kit, and I absolutely love the quality of it. I love how the bottom side, it gives a orange volcano look towards. It's like a painting graphic. And overall, I would highly recommend this since it looks very beautiful, and when it works, it looks very good at night too. It gives like a nice light appearance, and overall, I would highly recommend this since it gives a beautiful ambience interior of your home. And if you are looking for something that is unique and it stands out from the crowd, then this volcano lava lamp is something that is probably a good thing to have in your home. If you are looking for a different appearance and a different light system, then this is probably one of the best ones since it gives a volcano look, and is overall, I just love it since it just looks beautiful.